Okay, next question is question number 16, and the question is: a wooden cylinder floats partially submerged in the bath of the water. A force F is applied to the cylinder until it is just fully submerged. Which statement is not correct? Look, some of the water gains gravitational potential energy. Definitely, water rises up, so it gains potential energy. The cylinder loses potential energy. Definitely. Work is done by the F on the cylinder is correct. Work is done by the upthrust. No. Distance, no work is done by the upthrust because no distance is covered in the direction of the upthrust. So D is the answer. Next question is motor of the crane. This is the mass. Load rises, speed of this 12 meter per second. Then we have to convert this in meter per second. What is the useful power? So power is force multiplied by speed. Force is mg into v. M is 600, g 9.81 or 10, and v is 12. But for this minute, we have to divide it by 60. So answer is 1200. And 1200 mean this is 1.2 kilowatt. And the next question, the graph shows the effect of applying the force up to the 5 Newton, the spring obeys Hooke's law up to the 7 Newton. What is the total extension for the 7 Newton force? So from 0 to 5 force extension is 3 centimeters. So 5 Newton, 3 centimeter extension, 1 Newton, 3 by 5. So 7 Newton, 3 by 5 into 7, so 4.2. So is the answer. And next question is 19. A rubber cord hangs from the rigid spore, the weight attached to its lower end and gradually increases from 0 and then reduces 0. So no permanent deformation. So area represents the difference of the energy between the stretching and contraction. So energy is released. So release energy in the form of the heat. So this answer is thermal energy. Because elastic potential energy is stored? No. The work done on the rubber? No, because finally the extension becomes 0. The work done by the rubber cord during the construction, no work done. So the answer is B. Next question is this. A transverse wave traveling on the rope, the frequency of the wave is 2 hertz. The graph is this. This is wavelength, distance. So the wavelength is 2 centimeter. Look, time period is 1 over f, 1 over 2, so 0.5. So 0.5 mean one wave is completed in 0.5. So after time 0.5 second, same shape. So after 0.5 second, one wave is completed. So the same shape for the next wave. So answer is D. And next question is 21. Look, here the time period is 0.5. The lambda is 60 centimeter. V is equal to f lambda. So lambda divided by time period is the speed. So 60 divided by 0.5, 120, and the 120 is the answer here. Next question 22. In this wave, time-based setting, multiply the number of the horizontal boxes. So one wave is completed in 2 boxes. So 2 multiplied by this time-based setting. So it is 4 in 10 power minus 3. So frequency 1 over this. So it becomes 250. So C is the answer. Next is 23. This is the actual frequency. This is the speed of the horizontal circle. And this is the observed speed. So the question is, what is the speed of the sound in the air? So this is the formula. F naught V F over V over Vs. So this F naught observed is 2097 and V is required. F is 2000 divided by V minus 15. So after calculation, the answer becomes 24. So C is the answer. And the next question, simple. Green light has this frequency, 500 nanometer, 5 into 10 power minus 7. The microwave, 3 to 5 centimeter, mean 5 into 10 power minus 2, or 3 into 10 power minus 2. So B is the answer. Because 500 nanometer and 5 into 10 power minus 2, so B is the answer. Next question is, how many nodes are formed? This is actually the space given. This is frequency, electromagnetic wave. So wavelength is V over lambda. Electromagnetic wave, speed of light, 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1 giga, so 10. So this is 30 centimeters. So wavelength is 30. In stationary wave, one loop is lambda by 2. So lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2. So in 45 centimeter, 315 centimeters loops. 1, 2, 3. So 3 antinodes will be formed. So answer is C. Next question is, which statement about the light wave and the sound wave is correct? Both can travel through the space? No. Both have the frequency inversely proportional to lambda? Yes, because V is equal to F lambda when speed is constant. F is inversely proportional to lambda. Both have intensity proportional to amplitude? No. Amplitude square. Both have the oscillation perpendicular? No. So B is the answer. Next question. In this question, these lines are representing the crest of the wave. These are the wave fronts. So at this point, for the loudest sound, at this point the crest is meeting crest, so the constructive interference, it is antinode, so D is the option. Next, 28 is, an electromagnetic wave is incident normally on the diffraction grating, third order, angle 30, this is grating. So formula is D sine theta is equal to n lambda. D sine theta n lambda. So D is equal to 1 over G. So 1 over 500 centimeter. So it becomes approximately 2 into 10 power minus 6 in meter. So D 2 into 10 power minus 6 sine 30 and 2 lambda, because n is 2. Sine 30 is 0.5. So 2 cancel with this. So the answer is 5 into 10 power minus 7. So the answer is B. Next, P is the point near the charge X. A negatively charged test charge is placed at P. So negative charge here. It is found that the experience of repulsive, so like charges repel force, so this X is also negative. So question is, which arrow corresponds shows the direction of the electric field at the point P due to the charge X? So this is the direction of the electric field, because for the point charge, field lines are inward, so the answer is C. Next, in this question, oil drop is charged, so electric force up, weight down, resultant force 0. So F is equal to EQ mg, and E is V by D. So V by D, Q is equal to mg. So we can write Q is equal to mg D over V, but Q is equal to Ne. N is the number of electron, E is the charge of electron, so N is equal to mg D over V. So this B is the answer. And the next question, 31, is I is equal to NQAV. This N is the number of the free electron per unit volume. So current divided by velocity divided by charge is the product of Na. So current 5, V this, and the charge of the electron this, so Na. So Na product at this. So here when we will calculate this with this, we'll get the same answer. So B is the answer for this. Next question, 32 is, this is resistance, this is current, and the power is equal to I square R. So current square multiplied by resistance, answer is 0.48. When current becomes double, due to the square, the power becomes 4 times. So 0.48 multiplied by 4, answer will be 1.9. So C is the answer. And the next question is, there is a current in the resistance for the unknown time. Which two quantities can be used to calculate the energy dissipated? Look, energy is equal to work, and work is charge multiplied by voltage. So total charge multiplied by voltage. So C is the answer. So here next question. This is the circuit, and it's given that the cell 1 has 0 EMF, and the formula is EMF terminal potential plus loss. So terminal potential of the cell 1 is 0. It means this cell has EMF equal to the loss potential. So E1 is equal to IR1. I is equal to E1 over R1. And in the outer circuit, this one, so E2, I, because the current is same in the series. So I, and this R2 and R, capital R. So E2, I is same. So we can put this I. So E1 over R1. Then this multiplied here, divided here, minus R2. So this is a relation which is equal to A. And in the next question is, a battery has EMF E, internal resistance R, the battery delivers current I. the variable resistor so that the current increases. So when current increases, resistance is constant. So V directly proportional to I, so definitely potential across this resistance R increases. So C is the answer. And the next question is, three combinations are given. Suppose each resistor has value of 1. So 1 plus 1, this is 2, and this is 1. So 2 and 1 parallel. So the answer becomes 0.7, product over sum. And 3 resistors in parallel, so 1 by 3, 0.3, it becomes 0.3. And this parallel, it becomes 0.5. This one series, so 1.5. So we can write them order 0.3, 0.7, 1.5. So this is the C answer, increasing order. And in the next question, which is 37, look, this is 0 ampere current. It means 2 voltage here. So here also 2 voltage. When here 2 voltage, here will be the 4 voltage. Now, this is 4 voltage. So resistance here 10. Here resistance must be then 5 ohm. So 2 voltage here, 4 voltage here. So here resistance is 5. This resistance is 2. So for the 5 total resistance, this must be 3. So the answer is 3 ohm. Next question is 38. Neutral, mean equal number of the proton, neutron. So electron, proton, this minus this minus. So these are the number of electrons or number of the protons, because this is given proton, neutron, electron, and the mass number. So when this total particles numbered subtracted, neutron and nucleon is subtracted from this. So these are the electrons, protons. So look, these are the 2 isotopes and they have 8 protons. So answer is it. What is not a fundamental particle? Hadrons are not fundamental particles. So the neutron is not a fundamental particle. Okay. So beta emission, neutron converted into the proton. So beta is emitted. Neutron, 1 up, 2 down. So proton, 2 up, 1 down. So it means neutron, in neutron, this down quark decreases, and in proton, this is increases. So the answer is this B. So because 1 down quark is converted into up, so down decreases, up increases. So B is the answer. So this is a question.